Ever wondered how these viral animal videos goes viral and get millions of views? Well, the answer is their originality. You must have seen these Rabbit's Journey and Duck Quest videos. They got millions of views, but now everybody is copying the same videos and not getting many views. You know why? Because YouTube doesn't like copycats. The key is to create original concept videos. In this video, I'll show you how you can create heartwarming, emotional, and completely unique viral animal stories with AI.
A tiny tiger cub, lost and alone, cried in the dark jungle. A lone wolf appeared. He should have walked away, but instead...
I'll share the full video at the end of the video. Let's get started. The first step is to come up with a powerful and unique story idea. For this, let's head over to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Generate a list of 5 highly emotional and inspiring story ideas about animals that would resonate deeply with viewers on YouTube Shorts. Each idea should be concise but powerful, focusing on themes like resilience, love, hope, or unexpected connections. I have given the prompts and all relevant materials in the description below. ChatGPT will then generate several emotional story ideas. Look for one that stands out and has the potential to go viral. It has given me 5 ideas. If these doesn't look good, you can ask it to provide 10 more. Now that we have the ideas, it's time to choose one. One thing that I do when I create these type of videos is, I take the idea from ChatGPT and then add my own twist so the videos are more personalized. I analyzed all of the ideas and made some changes. I also changed the animals in my idea to a wolf and tiger's cub and briefly added the storyline and pasted it again. It created the scenes and overall concept as you can see, but I still want to make some changes in the scenes. So, I made a few tweaks and pasted this prompt. Before the scene generation, one thing you must do is to ask the ChatGPT to create cast and character descriptions. If you have already done this, then you know that ChatGPT creates the random prompts which results in the images with character inconsistency. Now, it has developed the cast. Next step is to create the scene overview before we proceed to the prompt generation. Now, everything is set, so let's proceed with the prompt generation. You must mention in the prompt, make sure to mention the character's description, for example, silver gray wolf, in each prompt to maintain the consistency of characters. Images should be very realistic. Next step is image generation. As it is creating prompts, let's head over to Leonardo AI or any image generator you like for image generation. For better results, you must do these settings. Since we are creating shorts, choose 9:16 image dimension. Select the number of images. Mine is set to 2, so I am okay with that. Choose the image generation model to Phoenix 1.0. You must turn off the prompt enhance so it follows our prompt exactly. Now that we are done with the image settings, hopefully our buddy is done with the image prompts. Now, it's time to generate the images. Copy the prompt of first scene and paste it in Leonardo. Do this for all the prompts and generate all the scenes. I have done the same and now my images are ready. Download the images that makes the most sense and put them in the folder. Next step is to convert these images to videos. For video generation, I am going to use Kling AI. You can also use 𝗙𝗢𝗚 or any other video generator that you have access to. All these tools offer free credits, so try different tools and use the one that works best. Now, I'll open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I need you to create the animation prompts. Keep them simple and not too complicated so they can easily be converted to videos using Kling AI. Now, our prompts are ready. Open Kling AI. Start uploading the images and paste the prompts from ChatGPT for animation. Make sure to read the prompts and adjust if you see anything that shouldn't be there. Kling has different modes of generation. In the top, select Kling 1.6 model for better results. Try standard mode or professional mode. I am going to try standard mode for some and professional mode for some. Upload the images one by one. Paste the animation prompts. Standard mode costs 20 credits, so use that if you don't have many credits left. Otherwise, you can also use professional mode. Do it for all the images and download the generated videos. Put all the videos in the folder, and let's proceed to the next step, which is to create the voiceover. I am going to use 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗚𝗏𝗡, but first we need to create a catchy script. For that, we will again ask the favor from our friend ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, write a short, engaging voiceover script for this story, keeping it under 60 seconds, with an emotional and storytelling tone. Make changes in the generated script as per your needs, and paste it to 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗚𝗏𝗡. Open 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗚𝗏𝗡. You can choose the voice from the right side. Select the one that works for you. You can also adjust voice settings. If you're new, just adjust the parameters like me and you'll get better results. Now that we have selected the voice, let's paste the script and generate voiceover. Final step is to edit the video. Now, it's time to put everything together into a polished video. You can use either Premiere Pro, Filmora, or CapCut, easy and free, or any other video editing software that you have. I am going to use Premiere Pro. Import your AI-generated videos into the timeline. Let's cut and arrange clips to match the storytelling flow. Add the voiceover. Download the relevant sound effects from Mixkit and Pixabay. You may not find some of the sound effects, so you can use 𝗙𝗏𝗡𝗚𝗏𝗡 to generate the sound effects as well. I'll use to generate some of the sounds. Put everything in the timeline, add background music, add transitions where suitable. Once you're done, export the video. I'll show the generated video in a second here, but you must keep in mind, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. The key is to stay consistent. Some videos will flop, some will go viral, but if you keep creating high-quality, emotional content, sooner or later, one of your videos will blow up. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more AI video tips. Prompts and relevant materials are given in the description below. Here's the video we created. Take a look and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.
A tiny tiger cub, lost and alone, cried in the dark jungle. A lone wolf appeared. He should have walked away, but instead, he did something no one expected. The wolf picked up the cub and carried him to safety. He fed him, kept him warm, and protected him like his own. One day, the wolf found the cub's mother. He placed the little tiger down and walked away. Mother looked at the wolf with gratitude. Years passed, until one day the wolf was surrounded by hyenas. He tried to fight, but he was outnumbered. Then a roar shook the jungle. A powerful tiger leapt from the shadows. He attacked, and the hyenas ran for their lives. The wolf looked up and saw him, the tiny cub he once saved, now a mighty tiger.